came up, and all Igbos in Lagos, when all of them travel, you will see that Lagos is always be empty.
Yeah.
Lagos will always be empty totally until all Igbos started returning back to their business premises in Lagos. But sometimes I'm asking myself, wondering why our Yoruba brothers are doing this. And I believe there's a lot of Yorubas are educated. When I mean educated, much educated in this country and outside the country, and they have their leaders. Like Oba of Lagos State, Olowo Eko, is my very good friend. Oba Eko is my very good friend, and I've never seen Oba engaging trouble or engaging war with other tribes. So when this fight come up in Lagos Island, I feel so bad that you use a bottle to stab your fellow human being because it's not from your tribe, and when the person you stab bottle retaliate back again, it become war, which is very wrong and very bad. I am now using this privilege and this opportunity to ask my Yoruba leaders, their Obas, their kings, their lawmakers, their governors. I am calling on them to let them address this issue, because we are one. We are one Nigeria. We are intermarried. Yorubas married Igbos. Igbo people, they married Yorubas. So sometimes I'll be asking myself why these people are always envy Igbo, because it is envy. When we came to this Lagos as second-class citizens, Igbos we are not first-class citizens in Yoruba land. Believe it or leave it, we are not first class. They are the owners of the land.
Yeah. We
came here to establish business and do things good with them. That is why you can't say an Igbo man build a house or build any property or invested in Lagos without buying the properties. They will sell to us and we will buy and pay, and the Igbos will do follow the normal process, normal procedure. What an Igbo man will do in anywhere he lives, he must follow the due process, because you can't build in somebody's land without due process. It's not possible. So sometimes I'm wondering why they are fighting Igbos, asking us to go, and we are still one Nigeria, and the Igbos are investors. We invest very well. When we are investing, it will affect everybody. Come to Lagos State today, go to Mandalas. Igbos have invested a lot of money in Mandalas. Go to Ojalaba International Market. Igbos invested a lot there. Go to Trade Fair. Igbos invested a lot. Go to Idumota, Tejo Osho, Computer Village, just name it in Lagos State. Ladipo Market. But at the same time, these people will always fight us, looking for trouble, looking for one way or the other, asking Igbo to go. Where are we going? Why? I don't know why they always do this. And we have the elders of Yorubas, we have the Obas, we have the leaders, we have the governors, we have people that are representing this country. So as a king, I am a king of Igbo in Nigeria State. I'm not a king of Yoruba. I'm not a king of Yoruba people, because I'm not a Yoruba man. And it was my Igbo people brought me out to be their leader. When an Igbo man